At Great Canadian Oil Change, our goal is to provide our customers with a clean, convenient oil change experience. No appointment necessary, you simply pull up to any of our 3 locations and you are greeted by one of our customer service representatives. We will quickly find out what kind of service you require and offer you your choice of complimentary drink and newspaper. We have a loyalty program that rewards our customers and also sends out reminders so you never miss an oil change. In addition to oil change services, we offer wiper blade changes, tire pressure, headlights, taillights, transmission fluid changes, engine and cabin air filter replacements, once your service is complete, our staff will review the work that was done with you so that you know exactly what you are paying for. At Great Canadian Oil Change, we offer a quick, clean, convenient service every time. It's our duty to your car.